In this video, we're going to focus on increasing, decreasing, and constant functions. So take a moment to pause this video and write this down. But an increasing function rises from left to right. And so you can see right here, as you're going from left to right, this line is going up. Decreasing falls from left to right. Again, you can see as you're going from left to right, this is going down. And then constant is horizontal. So we need to use the graph to find the intervals on which the function is increasing, decreasing, or constant. And I kind of wrote in a little help here if you want to write that down as well. When you are going over the intervals in which the function is increasing, decreasing, or is constant, you want to use the x values, and you'll always use parentheses. So where is this graph increasing? Well, I can see it's going from here to here. It is going up. It is going in an upward fashion when it is going from left to right, just like you read. And so it is increasing from -4 to 0. From x is -4 to x is 0. I'm not including -4 because at -4, it's changing directions. Same thing here at 0. So then where is this decreasing? See if I have another highlighter here. And I do. Okay, it is decreasing here and here. Okay, so again, x values, and we're using parentheses. So my x value here is -6 to -4. But see, at -4, we're not saying it's increasing or decreasing. We can't say it's constant. It's changing. And then let's list this portion over here. Its x is 3, and it goes to where an x is 6. And then lastly, where is it constant? It's horizontal right here, and it's going from 0 to 3. Okay, so in example 2, we're going to be doing intervals of increasing and decreasing. But we're also going to be including a lot of things from last lesson, like the intercepts, the domain, and the range, and to tell whether the function is even, odd, or neither, which is from the last video. So, is there any intercepts? Okay, your intercepts are your x-intercepts and your y-intercepts. Where is this crossing the x-axis? It's crossing right here. And that point is -π/2, 0. And it's also crossing right here at π/2, 0. Is it crossing our y-axis? Yes, it's crossing right here at 0, 1. Again, don't be tricked. We're given some points here, but this is not touching either of these axes. This point right here is not touching either of these axes. So intercepts are not just points listed. Where's it crossing the x-axis? Where's it crossing the y? B, we want to know the domain and the range. So domain, you go from left to right. So as you go from left to right, my graph starts right here. And what is that x value with that? Well, boop, boop, boop. That's right there at -π, okay, which is included. And then as you're going from left to right, my graph ends right here. And what is that x value? Right here at π. So from -π to π, I've got some graph right here, but I don't have anything outside of that. My range then, go from the bottom to the top, my graph starts right here with my y's. And whichever one you go with, since they're constant, they're both right here at -1. And then where is this graph ending? It's ending right here. This is the tallest point at 1. So we're saying that my range is between these two intervals right here. Everything in between, but nothing out. So the intervals on which this is an increasing, decreasing, and constant. So where is this increasing at? It is increasing from here to here. And when we go over increasing, we use x values in parentheses. So it's increasing from this x value of -pi to right here when x is 0. Okay, and we're using parentheses because I don't know what's happening at pi. This could keep going down. This could go up. This could change constant. I don't know. And here it's changing direction. So it's not increasing, decreasing, or constant. It's just changing directions. So then where is this decreasing? Well, that would be over here. Again, use your x values in parentheses. Starts here when x is 0, and then it keeps decreasing, decreasing, and it stops decreasing when x is pi. Okay, and then I'm not even going to list constant because there's not any. And then D, is this function even, odd, or neither? So if it is even, it's got y-axis symmetry. If it is odd, it's got origin symmetry, and then neither if it's got neither of those two. If you can just always remember, odd and origin both start with O's. Okay, that's how those get grouped together. So odd, origin, and then even y-axis. So is it even? Does it have y-axis symmetry? Yes, it does. So it is even. Does it have origin symmetry? Nope, that looks different. So it is just even.